The first thing I like to do is brush through my brows, and I'm using the MAC brush, and I don't know the number on this one because it is gone. But it's just a spoolie, and you're just gonna go ahead and brush through those brows. You're gonna make any necessary edits to your brows, like if you need to shape them up a little bit more, you might need to shave it, you might wanna cut a little bit off the top, but right now I'm just gonna leave it as is because this is how I would do it anyway. I wouldn't do anything to it. All right, so the first thing I like to use is some brow wax, and today I'm using the brow wax from MAC, and this is in the color Clear. And it looks like that. That is the wax on there. And I do have a hack for this wax. Yes, I'm rhyming today. But I do have a hack for this wax, and it will be on my next eBay haul. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and you will find a better way to lay your brows without paying $20-something for this MAC brow wax, okay? It's too much money for such a little bit of product. But I do love the wax. I do love it. It does really, really help the brows. So I'm just gonna coat my brows in all of the wax. You see that? Just like that. And I'll do the other side. Just like that. So I'm just gonna brush the hair upwards. Just like that. I hope I'm in focus. And you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Brush it all up because we're going for that bushy, natural look. So you wanna make sure your hair is brushed all the way up, just like that. I know it looks really funny right now, but it's gonna come together. So brush it completely up. And that's why you need the wax, because the wax is gonna really get those hairs to lay down and shape the way that you would want it. Sometimes I like to use the opposite hand for the opposite brow. So I am right-handed, so I'm gonna best get the hair straight up on my left brow. So I like to go in with my left brow, just like so, getting the hairs to stand straight up, like that. You see that? That's gonna best get the hairs to stand up. Now with my right brows, I'm gonna use my left hand. I'm gonna get it all up. And if you want to, you can go back in with a little bit more of the wax, but usually I don't, but I'm just gonna do it for the sake of the video, just in case you guys need it a little bit more on there. And run that brush through it one more time. And I forgot to tell you guys to have the brush turned this way. It's gonna be easier to get the hairs to go up. You see that? It's going the right way. And then I'm gonna switch hands, do it this way. It's gonna get it to go up naturally. Now,